It's so good to meet you.
It was great having you here today.
Look, I've really enjoyed it today. It's been great. But I've been thinking about writing a book for quite a while. But how do I know if what I'm writing is going to be good enough?
Well, you never know. However, you've got to start somewhere, and what we do is teach you a structure. There's a logical way to prepare for a book, even though it's a creative process. There's still a structure and a format that you can go through. So that's what I love to show people is like, there's many different ways though. There's different structure for a personal book, a different structure to a how-to book. I kind of also look at everyone's personal situation and go, what do you want to put in this book? And what fits best, and what should I show you as the chapter unpack template, right? It used to be that we used to use just one, but now we're using various ones depending on a person's personality and what I think the content would fit best. So if you trust the process, just understand that there is a way to fix up structure, and your writing will therefore also improve because it will have flow.
So the other one.
What is this really about?
I think I'm scared about what people are going to say.
Yes.
Like how can I put myself
that's
out
what
there?
I thought you were going to say first of all. But people always go around about other things, that it's the process or the publishing and all that kind of stuff. But that fear of, am I good enough? Will my friends and my tribe ridicule me? It's one that I think you overcome. I believe as you grow thicker skin, and therefore you don't actually pay attention to critics. I mean, they're always going to be there, and that's kind of actually a bit of a sign that you're becoming more successful. The thing is, doing it with a group and support network and other people who are on the same journey as you, that gives you that, not the lonely feeling where you're just playing out in your head the little voice, your ego saying, oh, I'm not good enough, this is not going to be the good, like you said, the content and all that sort of stuff. When you get through to the other end, not ever has anyone said, I wish I didn't do this, I'm getting flack. Everyone's like being risen up by their community. So trust in yourself.